Your car looks clean on the outside, but step inside and it's a different story. Crumbs between the seats, dust on the dashboard, sand on the mats, and those tiny particles you just can't reach no matter how hard you try. And the frustrating part is, most cleaning tools either lack power, are too bulky, or need constant plugging and unplugging, making a simple clean feel like a full-time job. Over time, that buildup doesn't just look bad. It creates an uncomfortable, unhealthy space every time you drive. That's exactly where the SZUK 2026 Mini Vacuum Cleaner steps in as a practical solution for everyday car cleaning. Built with an upgraded brushless motor option delivering up to 780,000 PA suction power, it's designed to handle both light dust and deeper debris with ease, while the basic version offers reliable everyday performance as well. Its cordless Li-ion battery system with dual 2000 mAh cells and Type-C charging gives you the freedom to clean anywhere without being tied to a socket. The HEPA filtration helps trap fine dust, while the wet and dry function means spills and dry messes are both covered in one tool. With over 6 nozzles and a multifunctional brush attachment, you can reach tight corners, air vents, seats, and even use it for blowing dust or inflating small items like balloons. All of this runs quietly at less than or equal to 52 dB, making cleaning less disruptive. Imagine finishing a long drive, grabbing this lightweight 600G device, and cleaning your entire car interior in minutes without hassle or noise. No cords, no setup stress, just quick control over your space. If you've been putting off car cleaning because it feels inconvenient, this is one of those tools that changes the routine completely. Check the link in the description before stock runs out and see if it fits your setup today.